got anything to cleanse my palate here? Because these pretzels are making me thirsty.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I think I might have something.
What you got, water or something?
Better than water.
No, yeah, what you got?
Well, this here is called Melba's Fixins.
Melba's
Yes.
fixins.
Yes.
Melba's fixins, okay?
Yes. You want to try it?
Sure.
I have an assortment.
Oh, even better. Bring it on.
All right. I want you to try to tell me, if you can, what the flavor is.
Okay.
All right. Here we go.
Okay. A little red. Smells fruity.
Mmm.
Is it like a cherry pie?
You are very close, my love.
Very close.
Very close. You got like 50% of it right. No, I'd say 75%.
It's cherry though.
Yes.
Very syrupy.
Mmm.
What is it?
It is cherries and cream.
Oh, okay, cream. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay, cream.
okay.
Okay, all right.
You like it?
Not half bad.
Cool.
Marvelous.
Cool.
Thank you.
Are you still thirsty?
I know. I got me hankering for a little
A little more?
more.
All right. Here you go. Let's try this one.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Keep them coming.
Ooh,
Mmm.
citrusy.
Oh.
It's either a lime or a lemon. I don't know.
Oh.
It's like at the back end, it's got a little something there.
Back ends
The
you
back
will
end.
do.
Well, I guess. It's like lemon meringue.
Well, no.
No?
You kind of close.
Lime. Lime. Key lime?
Yay!
Okay, I'm like
Yay!
going through the roller bits in my head here.
Ooh. Yay! You like it?
Oh, yeah, not bad. It almost tastes like kind of like a 7-Up almost like, but not as carbonated.
Really?
At least to me.
Still fizzy, right?
It's a little fizz.
All right.
Pop, pop, fizz. Yes.
Got another one.
Oh, okay.
All right.
I'm not having to pay for all these shots, am I?
Are you good?
Oh, okay.
There you go.
This one looks orangey. Levi, can I help you? My nose. Oh, that was weird.
Oh no. Okay.
All right, I'm back.
All right.
Oh,
Good thing. Okay. Oh.
that went right up my nose.
Oh my.
Not citrusy, but fruity.
Okay.
Peaches.
Correct. There's another little element.
Peaches and cream.
Yeah.
I can't really taste like that creaminess to it.
Yeah.
Just the orangey.
Okay. All right. I got more.
Oh, you got more.
I got more.
Oh my
Wait.
goodness.
Wait.
But wait, there's more.
There
be calling out in the next 5 minutes. Okay.
Alright.
Sure doesn't seem the same as the other one.
Hey, you're good. Different.
Levi?
What you think?
Limon?
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. And?
Meringue?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not as citrusy as the other one.
Really?
Yeah.
It's
more
key lime?
subtle. Yeah.
Mm.
I gotta blow my nose now. Thanks.
Mm. Ready for the nose?
Yeah.
Here you
Oh,
go.
that looks pink. No?
Kind of does look a little pinky. I don't know why.
Just to be clear.
Mm-hmm.
Smells fruity.
Okay.
Like roses almost. I don't know. Maybe.
Ooh.
Is this strawberry?
No.
No?
No.
Way off.
Kinda.
Wow, man.
I know.
These pretzels.
I know. They're throwing you off.
Apple.
Yes.
Okay. It's got that cinnamony kind of
Okay. All right.
little thing to it.
It's apple pie.
Apple pie.
Yes.
All right.
All right. You like it?
Not half bad.
All right. All right.
Reminds me of fall.
Yes. Bring on fall. Last one. All right.
Okay.
Here we go.
Cookie.
Yeah.
Okay. Last one.
Yep. Last one. Hope that does it for you.
I don't know what that was. I can't really get a smell on it.
She says, "Oh,
It's like a shortcake type. No? Yeah? Strawberry.
strawberry."
Strawberries.
Strawberry.
Hmm.
And
Cream.
yes,
Cream?
Cream.
That's weird. It tastes exactly like it almost.
Really. That's weird.
It's like right on it.
Cool. You must like that one. Is that your favorite?
Probably. It's not half bad.
Okay.
Well,
All right.
I guess I can continue eating my pretzels.
Might as well.
Well, bye, y'all.